manufactured by Ross is used for efficient water purification. It delivers high-quality water with minimum maintenance and ease of operation. It is highly durable and designed for sturdy operation and long life. A typical Ross RO plant consists of raw water pump, activated carbon filter, sand filter, doser, micron filter, high pressure pump, RO membrane, various instruments and panel box. Typical working cycle. Raw water is fed through the raw water pump into the sand filter, which removes suspended solids from water. The water then flows through the activated carbon filter for dechlorination. Antiscalant is then dosed in water with the help of a doser to avoid scaling on membranes. Water is further passed to a micron cartridge filter for fine filtration. Water is then pumped by a high-pressure pump into the RO membranes. Water then passes through the membranes, while most dissolved solids do not pass to the membrane. This pure water, which is achieved because of reverse osmosis, is also called as permeate or product, which is used for various processes or can be stored in a storage tank to be used later. Part of the reject water is either recycled or can alternatively be reused. Instruments like pressure gauges, flow meters, conductivity sensors, and level switches are provided for proper monitoring of the plant performance. A CIP system is provided for easy maintenance of membranes. The quantity, type, specifications, and arrangement of membranes depends on the raw water parameters. Ross designs plants of various capacities with correct pre-treatment options to suit specific water conditions.